Okay, Roro, this is for you, man. So, I know you're interested in solving the Rubik's Cube. I gave you the solutions back in the day, and I'm here to help you solve it now. Alright? So, first thing you want to do is you want to get a face that you're comfortable in solving first. So I like the white, so I'm going to choose the white. So the white, and first thing you got to notice is that each side has a color in the center, and the center piece you can't move. So you have white, you have green, you have red, you have yellow, etc. So each side has its own color. So you want to pay attention to that. So I'm going to solve the white face first. So in order to do that, I need to match the white pieces with their corresponding sides. And each side has its own color. So, for example, here's a white piece with a blue side. Here's a white piece with a red side. So we want to match the white pieces on the top with their corresponding sides. So this piece here, for example, is in the correct spot. White on the top, red on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so let's see. So I've got white and orange, I've got white and red. So I need white and blue. So now I have all of them. So white and green, white and orange, blue and red. So let's find the corner pieces now. So how do I do that? So you find a piece, let's take this one for example. You have green and orange. So we need to move that to the faces of green and orange. So let's do that. Okay, so it's sitting at the bottom here now. Here's the green face, orange face. There it is. So this piece has to go on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down, left, up, right. And we're just going to keep repeating that algorithm until we get it in place. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. So there it is now. We moved it up into its proper spot. It's according to the white, the green, and the orange face. So we're just going to keep doing that for each of the corners. So now we have this blue and red face. So we're going to set that up. It's in the right spot here, so I'm just going to do the algorithm. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Same thing, you know. Just keep doing it. And there it is. Okay? We're going to execute the same algorithm for the last remaining corner. Down, left, up, right. And there it is. Okay, so now we've solved the bottom face and the bottom row of colors. So at this point I like to turn the cube upside down. So now we have the white is on the bottom. So we're going to look at the top now, and we're going to focus on these middle pieces. As you can see, we have these kind of T-shapes. Some of them have colors on the side that match, but in any case, some of them are wrong too. This one's in the right spot. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and move pieces in to fill these corner pieces. So how do we do that? Well, we look at the top pieces, and we want to move pieces that don't have a yellow, because the yellow is the top. So we don't want to involve anything that has a yellow in it. So if we look at this piece here, for example, it's a red and green. So let's move that into position. How do we do that? Well, what I mean is we want to match up this red piece to the red center piece. So we're going to move it to match. So now we have the red matching the red centerpiece, and the green is on top, meaning that this piece here is going to go here, right? Because we have red here on one side and we have green, which would match with this centerpiece on the other side. So this piece has to go here. So how do we move it there? Well, it's an algorithm. So in order to move it there, we look at the cube, and this is tricky. So in order to move it to the green spot, we look at the face, and if you're facing the red, which I am now, the green is to my right. So that means I need to set in motion the algorithm that moves to the right. Right? Just bear with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go left on the top, right, up, left, back, okay, right, down, right on the top, left on the front, left on the top, and then right down. So there it is. Okay, so I don't know if that was helpful or not, but we're gonna keep doing that. So we're gonna keep finding pieces. So here we have orange and green. Here's the orange face and the green face. So we're gonna move that into position. So now we have the orange and the orange with the green on top, and the green is here. So if I'm looking at the orange, the green is to my left. So what I do is I set in motion the algorithm that allows me to move the piece to the left. So that is right top, up, left, left top, down, left, left on the top, right on the face, right on the top, and then down or left on the face. And I've moved it into position here. Okay, so the last piece here, hopefully you're following. We're going to match up the red and the blue is here, so that piece is going to go right here, right? We have red, blue, so it's got to go there. So let's do the same algorithm. This time we're going to go left. Okay, so we got it done, right? So the second row is completed. Now we need to complete the top, which is the yellow face. So in order to do that, we need to complete a plus sign or a cross. So how do we do that? Again, it's another algorithm. So we're going to go right face to the right, up, left, down. So we're just going to complete, we're just going to repeat that same algorithm. So it's right front, right up, left top, right down, left or right top, and then right down. So we don't have it set up yet, so okay, we got it set up now. So once you get here, then you're going to set into motion the next algorithm. So if you hold the cube with the yellow face up, the white face down, doesn't really matter at this point which face you have facing you or facing away from you. I'm just going to set it up like this. So this is facing away from me, this is facing me. The algorithm goes as follows. So it's right back, right front, right back again, twice on this side, right front, left front, right back, 2 times on the back, and right front twice. So now we have the back solved, and we have the corners that are solved. So we can set in motion the final algorithm, which is as follows. So what we're going to do is we're going to make that blue nice face to the back of me. So it's facing you, the back of me. This is facing me. So I'm going to do 1, 2 forward on the right, left, 1 on the right, left, and back 1 to the right, back 2 to the right, back 3 to the right. And then didn't really do anything. Let's try again. And there we go. We've solved the puzzle. So give me a call if you have any questions, but I know it wasn't the best educational video, but maybe that'll help to get you started anyways. But I miss you guys. Let's give a shout out to Sydney. I miss you with all my love. And all the best, Roro. Give it a try, brother. You can do it. I know you can. Peace. Love you.